In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your email password in Outlook. Now, right off the bat, it's essential to understand that Microsoft Outlook, much like other secure applications, is built in a way that doesn't allow you to directly view your saved password. This is a key security feature designed to protect your sensitive information by storing your passwords in an encrypted format, making it impossible for anyone, including yourself, to see them in plain text through the Outlook interface. But don't worry, if you've forgotten your password, there's a simple workaround that you can use to regain access to your account by resetting it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account website, which you can find at account.microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in with the account credentials that you can remember. After logging in, look for the Security section. This section is where Microsoft offers various tools and settings to keep your account secure, including the option to change your password. Click on the security link to proceed. Once you access this area, you'll see the option to change your password. Select this option, as it's essential for resetting your password to something new that you can remember. For the next step, you'll have to verify your identity to ensure that you are indeed the rightful account owner. Microsoft may prompt you to verify your identity through an alternative email address or a phone number associated with your account. Make sure you have access to these, as they will be vital in completing the identity verification process. Once you've verified your identity, you can set a new password. When choosing this new password, it's always a good idea to come up with something that is both strong and memorable. A strong password typically consists of a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable passwords such as password 1023 or common words. Take a moment to think of a password that is unique to you, but not easily figured out by others. After you've entered your new password, be sure to click the Save button, which will update your password across all Microsoft-related platforms. With this updated password, you'll now be able to sign into Outlook with this newly reset password. To wrap up, while it's not technically possible to view your password in Outlook for security reasons, you can always follow these straightforward steps to reset it whenever necessary. Remember, keeping your password secure and known only to you is crucial in protecting your personal information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.